In this RecipeSites review, I'm going to be showing you a cloud-based software that's going to create self-updating food and recipe websites with over 1,000 multiple niche food recipes in about 45 seconds. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out RecipeSites, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses, including products with the OTOs. All of these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, get your piece of the $285 billion per year food industry. World's first AI and cloud-based software creates self-updating food and recipe websites loaded with 1,000+ multiple niche food recipes, 20+ cuisine categories in just 45 seconds. Sell unlimited your own food products or add your affiliate link to 1,000+ pre-made recipes. So essentially, what the software does is it creates these food blog type websites for you. I'm going to show you an actual example inside this review here today. They say that you get as a bonus 30 reseller licenses. You can actually resell this with the product that you get. You get commercial license here. It says log into the members area, enter your name, and then it automatically will create your sites for you. And it looks like it has your domain included in there. You don't have to buy any hosting. You don't have to buy a domain name. Here's some testimonials, but you know how I feel about testimonials in general. I don't really put much weight into them. People are selling these type of websites on places like Fiverr. So you could potentially monetize this by actually selling these websites. You don't have to worry about hosting them. So you can sell them as kind of a done for you package to people. So there is an opportunity there for that. And if you were going to have to pay someone to do this for you, obviously it would cost quite a bit of money. If you were going to create them yourself, it would take a ton of time to create a website like this. You can monetize these with things like AdSense or Amazon and actually have like affiliate links on them and whatnot. You can have your own recipes you can add in if you want to. It says you can add your own unlimited food products and recipes, commercial license, no limitations, etc., etc. with this. So let me bring you down. If you purchase this, you're going to get access to all this stuff here, all these different things for a one-time price. I will let you know, though, that if you move your mouse away on the sales page, most likely a discount code will pop up there. I make less as an affiliate by showing you this, so please go ahead and give me a like. I really appreciate that, and it helps out with my YouTube channel. So, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. I'm going to come back, show you an actual website created with this, the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Hi, Akshat here, and in the next few minutes please listen to me carefully. So would you like tap into red hot $285 billion industry right now and create a monthly recurring passive income without depending on any marketing gurus or various do-it-yourself technique? If that caught your interest, then I've great news for you today, presenting RecipeSites. Instant access of world's first AI and cloud-based software creates self-updating food and recipe websites loaded with 1,000+ multiple niche food recipes, 20+ cuisine categories in just 45 seconds. Start your own food selling and recipe creation website in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in to members area. Step 2. Enter your site name. Step 3. AI will automatically generate awesome good-looking fully automated food site loaded with 1,000+ multiple niche food recipes, 20+ categories in just 45 seconds. Sell your own food products and recipes too. Here are some of its amazing features. Build unlimited fully automated food recipe affiliate sites. Tap into red-hot $285 billion food industry right now, loaded with 1,000+ recipes with 20+ categories to sell right away. Free domain, blazing fast hosting included, inbuilt SEO and ads placement feature, 100% AI-based and cloud-based platform, pay once and get profit forever without any restrictions. Inbuilt, add your own recipe feature. Upload your own food products and sell them to hungry customers. Add your own unlimited food products and recipes. Commercial license included. No limitations. Completely free. No special skills or experience required. Step-by-step training. and much more. And we're not alone. Over 150 top agency owners, marketers and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with RecipeSites. Till now, RecipeSites has built 9,200 plus affiliate RecipeSites platform without any hassle. It's huge, and now it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your conversion and profit at a low one-time cost. During this special 4-day launch deal, your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it's come with an unlimited commercial license, which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast, and click the link below. See you inside.
Okay, so this is an actual site created with this. You can see it says like sweet hot mustard slaw. And if you click on that, it brings it up here. It's got the actual image here, the like cooking time and how many people it serves and how long it takes and the calories and the difficulty. Looks like they've added a video in here, but it's not for the right thing. It's for fried chicken. So I don't know what happened there, but they've got a bunch of ingredients here. And then here's some other ones that it says you might like. Here's garlic shrimp linguine, and again, the fried chicken one comes up. So I don't know if this is a test blog that they gave me access to. I don't know if you have to actually go in there and kind of, if you want videos to actually change them yourself. But if I go over to chicken, there's no chicken. So I don't know what's going on here. But they do have some built-in ones already in there for you. But it looks like you may need to go and actually kind of double check some stuff in here and see if it's working. Let's see. So like this right here is misspelled chocolate cake. Best chocolate chip cookies. That doesn't look like the best chocolate chip cookies. And then this image comes up here. So it looks like there's some growing pains in this, but it is an example of what this looks like. Now, if you purchase, you'll have access to this members area. This is where you can administer everything. You can have all your different visits, your pages, your categories, tips and tricks, recipes, all that stuff included inside here. There are multiple upgrades that you're going to be offered. The first one here is going to says removes all limitations. You go unlimited with pro features. So this is just like a pro version. You will want to move your mouse away on this as it will give you a discount. Again, I make less as an affiliate, so please hit the like button. I appreciate it. Next one here, it says you can start charging your clients $500 to $1,000 to make these sites for them with your own admin panel. Again, you're going to want to move your mouse away to get a discount on this one. Next one, move your mouse away and get a discount. This is the white label license. They've got another one here for like a high performance 50 done for you products with reseller rights. So it's an optional upgrade. Again, move your mouse away for that discount. Then they've got a cloud-based messenger and SMS and email system. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Another one here, they've got a collection of stock images, videos, and vectors and stuff. Move your mouse away and get a discount for that one. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about RecipeSites and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it looks like it has a little bit of growing pains going on here. So just if you're looking for a super professional site builder that's going to be like really highly refined, then this probably isn't going to be it. What do I like about this? If you're someone that just wants a site builder, you don't necessarily want to be paying monthly or yearly for something that's going to cost you a lot more, and you just want something that's going to be easy on your wallet, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my RecipeSites review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.